Thank you tonight, the Justin family visiting my home. Thank you very much. Today I want to introduce to you the 삼纲부모자. These three fundamental principles. Three fundamental principles. Father, mother, children. It is the three fundamental principles. Nobody can cut this line. Father, mother, children. It's very important. 부경여천, 모경여지, 자효천장이라고 하셨는데, respect father like the son, like the heaven. Respect father like the heaven. Respect mother like the earth.
The earth.
Yeah, earth. Filial duty is decided in the heaven. So everybody they have the parent. So we reflect this sentence in our mind. If we do not respect our parent, we must reflect our mind, and we must change our mind. So it is very important. Filial duty is decided in the heaven. So in this time, mostly the children or son and daughters, they generally do not respect their parent. It's so many people they have problems in society. So we must especially the student, we must teach this sentence. 부경여천, 모경여지, 자효천장. Respect father like the heaven, respect mother like the earth. Filial duty is decided in the heaven. So in the family, in the family life, we must behaving like this sentence, and then the family is to be bright and harmonize the family. Yes. So every happiness starting from the family. Yeah. So tonight I will transfer this sentence to you. Okay. Thank you.